welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani, the Cooking with Jack show. If you haven't been here before, hit the subscribe button for me, please. You can hit the little watermark at the bottom of the screen. There'll be a subscribe button right there. Or you can just hit the subscribe button, either way. But anyway, I hope you enjoy the show. Let me know if there's something you want me to do on the show. I'm on all the social medias, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, blah, blah, blah. CookingWithJack.com. So anyway, we're finishing up our Thanksgiving Away from Home series. What we're doing is we have a kid who's overseas serving the armed forces, and he basically is going to be away from home this Thanksgiving, first time ever. I got some turkey breast here. I'm going to lay that out. I'm going to season it, and then we're going to roast it, and then we'll cut it up, freeze dry it, and send it off to him so that he and his friends can have some. I'm kind of excited about this. This is a great idea. Thank you, Harvest Right, for giving me this great freeze dry idea for Thanksgiving. I think it's an amazing idea. As soon as they brought it up, I'm like, I definitely want to do this. So come on in close. I'll show you what I'm doing. Here's my all-purpose seasoning. Here's poultry seasoning. And we're going to throw in also a little bit of pepper. And this is what we're going to be seasoning. I got these tubes of all-natural turkey breast, tenderloins, extra lean. They should be good from Butterball. We're going to season these up, cook this, and then slice it, and we're going to freeze dry it. Okay, we're going to lay out our turkey breast pieces. There we go. There we go. All right, we're going to give this a nice coating of the best seasoning you'll ever taste. Throw a little pepper on here. There we go. All right, got a little poultry seasoning. There we go. So when I flip these over, most of this seasoning is going to fall off. That's why I'm going heavy. All right. Flip it over. See? Most of it falls right off. Flip that over. Flip that over. Season exact same way on the other side. Not as heavy because we're not flipping it again, so not as much will fall off. We're going to take this right now and put it in the oven at 350 I'm roasting at 350, so I'm just going to cook this till it's 170 internal temperature. Okay guys, before we slice this, we're going to give it a quick try so I have an idea. This is the problem. When I did the taste test with the chicken and I freeze dried it, I was going to test it after a month and after a year, after 5 years and all that. I didn't taste the chicken to start. So I'm going to have to redo that test. So I've trashed everything, got rid of the samples, going to start over. I'm going to probably do it with steak and give it like 1 month, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. Then we'll try and see how it is. So right now, let's give this turkey a try. Still a little warm, burning my fingers. Boy, that seasoning came out great. It's juicy, it's tender. We'll slice it later tonight, and then we'll throw it all in the freezer. Once it's done freezing this, everything else frozen. Then we throw all 4 shells, mashed potatoes and gravy, asparagus and green beans, and stuffing, and turkey. We'll throw that all in the freeze dryer and get this dinner going.